I'm back. All right, so you boys and girls and parents, just a quick little sidebar note. Some people are doing their kids' work and they're still getting it wrong. So this video is for my students and parents, so that way everybody gets the correct answer. So I had a student walk up to me today and say, please, Mr. Nethercott, will you put that video on? Make a video where we do division with the remainder. So guess what? Here it is. All right, so the first problem I'm going to give you is a single digit divisor. All right, the divisor is the one outside the house, knocking, wanting to come in. And the one that's in the division house is called the dividend. All right, in the house, dividend. Now, quotient is the thing that is up top. The quotient is up here. Do we have one? No. Okay, but the quotient is the answer to a division problem. So buckle up, get a pencil, get a paper, listen up. All right, here we go. Who's outside? The divisor is 3. I come to my first number house, knock, knock, knock. Hey, it's the number 4. Hold up 4 fingers. Hey, can you take 3? Yeah. So, how many times can you do that? Only once. So, you're going to put a 1 up top above the 4. 1 times 3 is 3. All right, put the 3 under the 4. What are you going to do with it? You're going to subtract. 4 take away 3 is 1. All right, so there's your 1. But wait, 2 wants to come to the party. So we bring that 2 down by drawing an arrow. All right, now your new number house is the house of 12. Last time I looked, we don't have 12 fingers. Okay, so Mr. Nethercott, I don't know my multiplication. Well, add. Who is this? This is 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Are we there yet? No. Plus 3 equals 9. Are we there yet? No. Plus 3. All right, hey, that's who I want. So what I got to do now, Mr. Nethercott? Got to count it up, write it up. Okay, how many times did I use 3? There's once. There's twice. There's 3 times. There's 4 times. Oh, hey. So where's that 4 going to go? Right above the 2. So 4 times 3 equals what? Now, did I have to multiply for those of you that still haven't learned how to multiply? No, just add. Use your fingers. All right, so I put a 12 here. 12 minus 12 is what? 0. All right, then I'm going to bring what? 5 wants to come to the party. All right, so how do you bring him to the party? You bring him down with an arrow. Now your number house is the house of 5. Hold up 5 fingers. All right, here's a 3. He wants to come in. How many times? Last time I looked, you can only, grab these 3. Doesn't matter which 3 you grab. You can only take 3. So I'll put another 1 right here. Whoop. 1 times 3 is what? 3. What are you going to do with it? Subtract. 5 take away 3 is what? 2. All right, bring your other 5 to the party. Hey, with a what? With an arrow. Why? Because you can see what numbers you've used. All right? So get in the habit. All right, now my new number house is the house of what? 25. Hey, Mr. Nethercott, I don't know multiplication. Just what? Add. Now look, you did your past work. It's right there. Did you hit the magic number? You stopped at 12. So we're going to keep going until we can keep going. All right. So we bring another 3. Boop, boop. That's 15. Are we there yet? No. Another 3. Are we there yet? No. It's 18. So I'm going to do another 3. Oh, no. 8, 9, 10, 11. Write down the 1. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 2. Last time I looked. All right. And then I look here. We can spin this record again. So I'm going to add another 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Bring down your 2. Hey, check it out. Can we go anymore? You'll pop. Too big. Not good. Hey, so we got to hit the brakes at 24. What time? What? What do we do now? Count it up. Yeah, count it up, write it up. Well, you can already see 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there's my 5, there's my 6, there's my 7. Hey, how many times did I use the number 3? 8 times. Where's that going to go? Oh, it's going to go right up here. Hey, 8 times 3 is what? 24. Oh no! I got a leftover. We don't call them leftovers. We call them remainders. Okay? We're in 5th grade now. Time to grow up. So, it's a remainder. So I'm going to call it, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to do an R1. Hey! We're only halfway done. Yeah, some of you parents are like, what? What do you mean halfway? We got to move to the second half where I like to call check yourself before you wreck yourself. What's that mean? Well, look here. This top part, that's my quotient, my answer. Okay? What is that? 1, 2, 3, comma. So my quotient, my answer, how we check ourselves before we wreck ourselves. Now, parents, buckle up. This is where it's going to get a little funny, and you're going to be like, ew, I don't like this math. Well, are we still riding horses? No. All right? We're in cars. We're in jet planes. We're even flying to the moon and other planets. So, as much as I get on to kids, I'm going to get on to you. Check this out. Check out some of those other videos where I start doing like a 4x4, 4x5, and all that kind of good. You'll feel the power of the lattice. You'll love it, okay? I know that you grew up doing the old school math, but don't worry, I'll hip you to the times. Now, back to check yourself before you wreck yourself. How many digits do I have? I have 4. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. Whoop! There's my rectangle. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. Cut that in half. I got 2. Cut this in half. I got 2. Cut this in half. Oh, snap! 1, 2, 3, 4. What are my digits on top of my house? 1, 4, 1. Oops, we got to move this a little bit. 8. All right. So, and who's this out here? My divisor? It's just a single digit divisor. What is it? 3. So I'm going to put my 3 right here. And then all my students know, what? What do we got to do now? Corner, corner, down. And here's where parents' brains go, whoa, I didn't learn that. It's okay. So, corner, corner, down, corner, corner, down, corner, corner, down, corner, corner, down. Who? 3. Who? 8. What is it? 24. Who? 3. Who? 1. 0, 3. Now, I tell my students, is that 0 important? Yeah. The top side or the thing to the left is your tens place. So, if you put a 1 in there, it turns into a 13. Put any number in there, it becomes bigger and then, not the number we want. All right, back to my check yourself before you wreck yourself. All right, who? 3. Who? 4. What? 12. And if you look, it kind of looks like 12. Does this break your brain? No. Who? 3. Who? 1. What? 0, 3. And then the part that the students love. I will look and I'll go, what time is it? And everybody yells out, friend time. Now there's 1 or 2 that's not paying attention. They'll look at the clock and go, oh, it's 9:35. No, it's friend time. What do we do with our friends? We add our friends. So I look here. Oh, he's lonely. He's in the corner. So he don't got no friends. He's just a 4. Hey, he's got 2 friends. That's 3 friends. We add our friends. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Who's this? Oops, I move over to the next lane. Follow it up to the top right here. That's a 0. That's a 2. We add our friends. That's 2. Move over to the next lane. Follow it to the top. I normally use a different color marker so you can see the lanes a lot better. I'm at home, not at school, so maybe I'll get a different marker. But right now, I got to focus. All right. And here's 1 friend. There's 3 friends. That's 4 friends. And then I need to rewrite. So I go 4, 2, 5, 4. But wait. That doesn't look like the guy in my house, my dividend. But why? Who's this up here? Remainder 1. So I need to write 1R. Draw my line, add it. Yeah, it's kind of an ugly plus, but hey, as long as it gets the job done. Look here, 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Bring down your other 5. Bring down your 2. Bring your 4. Are you donesy? No. Uh-oh. I better move my camera a little bit. Are we donesy? No. 1, 2, 3, comma. So now, does that look like my dividend? The one that's in my house? There you go. That is division with a remainder, single-digit divisor. Wait till you see the next one. There'll be a part 2. And it'll be a 2-digit divisor. Ha ha. Catch you on the next one.